Hi friends, one of my student who is taking coaching from me for Excel and VBA, he wanted to know whether I will be able to support him for the automation between Excel and PPT using VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, right? So I told him, yes, it's possible, you can do wonders also. So for that, you don't have to spend hours together to write the code, understand it, do the trial and error method, many things, okay? We will be spending a lot of time. Some people may take even 1 week or 15 days to get this automation also by learning the basics of VBA, all this thing. But I'll tell you simply basics of VBA, even though if you are learning, without learning also it is possible. Only thing you should know what you have to write in the prompt. So here red color I have just written, get me a VBA code to copy data from Excel to PPT by creating a new PPT with master slide having only one rectangle rounded corner shape with the text welcome to automation of Excel to PPT and Excel data in normal slide. Okay, this means what I told the Chat GPT, get me a code for doing this automation. So when I given this is the prompt area. So this prompt area, are you seeing this? This is the first prompt which I have given that, and the output has come here like this. Here is a complete VBA code that point number 1 creates a new PowerPoint presentation and blah blah blah, it is explained. Okay, and this is the code. So this is the code available here. So from here to here you can just see the code is available, maybe about more than 50 lines are there. So what is this dim PPT app as object? Yes, I know this is declaring. Here also it is declaring the variable as object. And what is this? This code will not be executed because it is starting with a single code, and it is explaining about the program what it is going to do. Next line. Set the range to copy from Excel. So it is telling setting the range to copy A1 to E10, it is going to copy. So if I go to the Excel, so A1 to E10. So this is the range, it is just selecting and it is copying that. So this particular one is setting the range only. Okay. Now create the PowerPoint application. So these are the codes which is going to create the PowerPoints application it is creating. Then create a new presentation slide is there. So many things are there. So if I go and explain this, in this video will be a very big one. You will not be able to go through this very clearly also. Okay. So for that, what I have done is copy. Press this button, it will copy the code. So what I have done is these are the modules. So if I go to this insert, then module, if you are already aware about this, how to go to this Visual Basic code area, you are okay. Otherwise, you can just go to this sheet area here, right click on this, click on this view code, you will be getting the view code area like this. Okay, what I have done is these are the modules one by one which I created. I'll explain one by one. First, it gave me a code, this code, which is not working. So I just recorded it in this macro as module 1 underscore create ppt underscore wrong. Means whatever code, I just double clicked here. Now the code is coming here. This code was not giving the output what I wanted. So it was just creating a, I'll just run and show you. So it is creating a PPT slide, but now it is created 2 slides here. I wanted, first one is only one slide should be there and it should be the master slide so that no one should be able to click like this. Sometimes by pressing this click and then if by mistake they delete it, then it will go. So this is the way it should not happen. Okay. So I'll just close the PPT which is created by this one. So next after this I have given the prompt. Whatever you have given is correct, not correct. So this next prompt is there. No, this code created slide 1 and 2. All the error, whatever I understood, I have just given this. So the skill required is what you want, whether you got it or not. If you have not got it, say this here by writing the second prompt. Then it will give the updated VBA code, just copy and paste it and put it in some other model and check that whether it is working or not. Like this, I have created the modules here. I'll go to Excel and tell you. So I wanted to work by pressing a button. So like this, if I go to insert and I'm just clicking again insert, go to this shape, select any shape. I'm just selecting this shape as rectangle rounded corners. Click on this, right click, type something, whatever you wanted. Transfer A1 to E10 to PPT. So I just typed it. Right click on this shape, which is the rounded corner rectangle. And now you have the option here, assign macro. Okay, from the bottom, if you are seeing, from the top, if you are seeing cut, copy, paste, all these things, when you are coming here, assign macro is there, click on this and click the macro which is available here. So which macro was working is correct macro was there, right? So the correct macro was stored in the module create PPT correct here. So double click and you can just see the first line, create PPT with the real slide master. Okay, create PPT with the real slide master and Excel data. So this is the macro I should assign like this. So that is the one. Create PPT with the real slide master and Excel data. So if I give here OK, then the more now this cursor will turn into hand symbol so that you can just click and take it. So that button is now working for the macro. So this is the area which is created, copied from A1 to E10 and pasted here. And it has created the master slide here. Master slide with the output of this rounded, this is rounded corner rectangle with the text welcome to automation of Excel to PPT, right? So, but this, if you press anywhere on the shape, the rounded corner rectangle, it is not enabled. So this is what which I wanted, right? But now this data is direct available in this slide. You can just go and delete it if you want. You can just move it wherever you want, right? So this is a single automation. Now one more automation. I was thinking that no. So this table is the region-wise sales table. I want to create a pie chart here in Excel, and then that pie chart should go to this PowerPoint slide 2 here. It has to create the slide 2 and then it should be pasted there. Okay. Let me close this file. So once again, we'll just see. So that particular macro also I have just pasted in which module. Are you able to see this? Module 2. Module 2 is what? Module 2 underscore create and paste pie chart. So if I double click here, you will be getting the code here. So what is the macro here? Add slide 2 underscore with the pie chart underscore from Excel. So it is having same declaration codes and setting the value for the variable and creating the pie chart. Then delete old chart if anything exists. All these, so many things are there. So if you want me to explain this, any of your class, if you want to attend and then just get the details from me, it is possible. But because now we want to go very fast by using the skill of using how to use the Chat GPT by writing the prompt, and our job is done. So now I'll just delete this particular this one because already I've created here the same transfer to PPT is there. Next one button which I have assigned here is create pie chart in Excel. Then create slide 2 with this pie chart, right? So now let us click on this transfer to PPT. Yes, the data is transferred to PPT. This is the first slide. Come back to Excel. We are getting a message, single slide PPT created using master layout plus Excel data, right? So master layout means from the PPT it is there. Master layout means nobody can touch that layout. Now give OK. So now I want to create the PPT pie chart and send this pie chart to the PPT by creating the slide number 2. So shall we do this? I'm clicking on this. So slide 2 added with the pie chart in PPT is there. Okay, now the pie chart is created in Excel. The same thing is copied to PPT. If I go here PPT, you can just see here. The second slide is inserted and the pie chart is available. Right? So this is a small automation what you have done. Let me close this file. If you want to save this file, you can just save and present it, or you can just close it. Okay, and I'll delete this pie chart. Okay. Now these are the two separate macros which is giving first time pressing this button, it is it is transferring the data from A1 to E10 to that Excel sheet. And then when I'm just clicking on the second button, it is going and doing this, creating the second slide and creating the pie chart from here and then transferring to PPT. So instead of that, I want to do it in a single shot. So this is the macro which I have done. Again, the same macro also I got it by writing somewhere here the prompt. Whatever prompt is there. So it has just given me the output like this. Okay, so prompt writing is very, very important, right? So now that particular code is available here. So somewhere now avoid duplicate, no duplicate, so many things, modules are there. So one of the module I've just that referred to the what is the macro name and then attached it here. So I'm just pressing it here. What it is going to give? Now it is going to create the PPT and then transfer the data from A1 to E10. Then create the pie chart in Excel using this table. And then that pie chart will be pasted to PPT in slide number 2. Shall we check it now? Yes. I press the button. So it has created the PPT and the second data is also available, right? So here some error is there. The data which is supposed to be pasted from A1 to E10 is not done. So we have to write the same thing to PPT, sorry, not the Chat GPT, and Chat GPT will give the updated code, and we have to paste it in by creating another module. Why instead of this, we can just keep it in any module. Only one module is also okay, but it is very easy to identify which module is having what code. Okay, so I'm just keeping it in this way. Whatever way you wish, you can just keep it. Right. Thank you very much for watching this small video. Take care. Bye.